Okay, the things you need to know about Matthew. 1, he is giant. When I say giant, I mean about over 700 miles across. 2, he is freakishly slow. Last report I saw had him going at 3 miles an hour. 4, at times he looks like he's a double-barreled hurricane and even a triple-barreled hurricane. And so he's gigantic in size, but he hasn't fully formed and wrapped up yet, which is scary, because he's going to cross over the Bahamas and Haiti, weaken a little, and then in the patch before Florida and the East Coast of the United States, he's going to re-strengthen. And we saw him strengthen from a 1 to a 4 category in record time. So, I don't know what's going to happen, but I am going to keep you posted.
Haiti is bracing for what really could be a humanitarian disaster and a crisis just coming in the next couple of days with a very powerful Category 4 Hurricane Matthew headed its way. Already seeing evacuations due to rising surge, and this is going to get a lot worse. You can see upwards of over 3 feet of rain just because of, look how potent this storm system is.
Don't stare at it. It's mesmerizing. Don't stare at it, or it'll stare back at you. Okay, so the weather has officially become a monster movie. Stay cool. This is a Thor News presentation. Thor News presents. Okay, so the weather has officially become a monster movie. It is October. We got a giant 3-eyed sea creature barreling through Haiti and Jamaica, headed to Florida and the southern United States. Where it will go, nobody knows. Asterisk. Yeah, it's weird. That's the weirdest storm I've ever seen. And the difference between normal professional weathercasters and me is they're not allowed to freak out. Where I can freak out, ladies and gentlemen. And I think I'm freaking out right now. 'Cause that storm is weird. And I'm still taking this seriously. But I need you to be the best superhero you can be. That's fucking wild. Okay, this is officially become an Asteroid Fight Club meeting. And I'm speechless. Don't worry, that won't last long. Alright, that storm is totally doing the mash. I mean the monster mash. Alright, let me get you updated. See down here? A tiny little hurricane? That's Matt. And he is giant. Why are you confused? Because I'm comparing Matt to the evil eye of Sauron, who is now turned into an angry galaxy bull with a giant bone nose, or whatever. Cerebus. These are wild days for sure. So it might be time to panic cuddle, people.
Fuck yeah!
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, now is the time in the program where unfortunately I have to be serious. Because this hurricane has gotten so serious, a few lives are going to be lost. So I will do my best to take this seriously and treat it with respect. We're talking about giant freak double-barreled hurricane Matthew, and he is massive. The last report I saw had him listed at 700 miles across. That is major. It's one of the biggest hurricanes I've ever heard of. Is now passing through Haiti and Jamaica. And as previously reported, parts of those areas could see up to 40 inches of rain and possibly 11 feet of tidal surge. Tidal surge is when you don't know where the ocean ends and the land begins, or the ocean would encroach upon the land about 11 feet. I've been naturally watching the freaky weather progress. The sun's been acting weird, and when the sun acts weird, Earth weather acts weird, and people act weird. And now what I've been seeing from the sun and Earth weather lately has been jaw-dropping, whereas a big whoop-de-doo is being made about Matthew, and it should. I'd like to point out that this thing here, what I call the evil, super mean sea level pressure point, aka the Eye of Sauron, that is between Greenland and Europe, and it's been there for about 2 years. See that thing? Matthew looks like a toy car in comparison to this thing. It's been there about 2 years, and in my opinion, it has been the thing that has been driving all the weird weather. Look at that thing. See how it's red at the top? So it's like now we have 2 North Poles. North Pole 1, North Pole 1. Ah, crap. North Pole 1 and North Pole 2. I think that accounts for the wobble. So this is total cloud water, and that is totally crazy. That is wild. So we got a cast of characters that seem to regularly show up in these. Right here we got the spiral galaxy, or what is that, the golden average, the golden compass, the golden mean. Over here we got NASA's favorite flying V. I've been noticing a lot of right angles that show up in the weather lately, which is pretty weird. Another thing that's weird is I've been looking at all the spaghetti models that the people that the supercomputers put out. And if you notice in these spaghetti models, all the ones I've seen, and I'll put up a couple, they don't show it hitting the land. Like out of the last 10 spaghetti models I've saw, like 95% of all the spaghetti models have it going out to sea. So how can all these supercomputers be wrong? So if this thing makes landfall on Florida, South Carolina, North Carolina, it means like 95% of supercomputers were wrong about their models, which is weird and an odd coincidence. I guess it would be kind of like in 2008 when the supercomputer told us that all those mortgage-backed securities were AAA rated. Maybe the supercomputer is not our friend. It's glad to hear that a week after I started covering the story, the media is finally starting to pay attention. Though they've got their thumbs so far up their Donald Trump, Hillary Clinton butts, it probably won't alert people until it's too late if this thing is as catastrophic as it can be. Are you looking at this? I know you're not an idiot. Well, I like to believe you're not an idiot. I like to believe that because my channel is smart, cool, and awesome, but statistically, I guess it's impossible. And it looks like Matthew has a friend behind him. What are the chances? What are the odds? Here he looks like a dragon duck. It's like Howard the Duck is giant. And if he's as bad as his movie, we're in trouble. That almost looks as big as America. I don't even know what to do. I'm just gonna go sit in the corner and laugh hysterically until I fall asleep. Okay. Or I'll probably keep covering. Anyway, God bless everyone. Talk to you guys soon. Plan to check out the sun, cause if the weather's this weird, I guarantee you the sun's doing something crazy. But I'll keep you posted. But if there's anyone out there, look at that, who isn't taking this seriously, then something is wrong with it. You are just crazy and are ignoring all the facts. I mean, look at the size of that thing. Damn it, why do I keep getting fooled? Don't do that. Okay,